Today we're just going to be testing some of these bell boxes and obviously the system. So first we're just going to start off with this call point. So I'll press it in 3, 2, 1. The bell boxes here, and we're going to test them by tamper. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to turn it on this panel here. I'll see you in a sec. Alright, so we have on the panel now, so we'll arm it. It is armed, so I'm going to make one go off. We got this West Country one going. We're going to let's set this one off. And then this one. This one. Let's turn them off. They're all off now. I'll see you later. Goodbye.